Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. It's Yordanka here. Today I have both pose for you Navasana. This is not an easy posture, but there are some easy modifications that might apply for you if you're a beginner. In this posture, we're gonna strengthen the front side of the body and we're gonna stretch the back side of the body. This is very intensive posture that will build a lot of strength in your pelvic floor and will help you have a healthy spine. It's very important posture. Before proceeding with both pose, we're gonna stretch a little bit the back side of the body to prepare for this. So we're gonna come into child's pose. Knees are together, the big toes are together, the heels are nice and spread, and we're just sitting between our heels or on top of our heels. From here, we're gonna walk the palms forward, dropping the forehead on the mat. Just for a couple of nice breaths. Feel the stretch in your back. Allow your hips to be heavy and to sink on top of your heels. To center in your mind. It's a very good posture to do when you are stressed out after a long day, or also it's a very good posture for your legs. So after a long walk or after a day in which you spend a lot of time standing, you slowly begin to walk your palms back. You're gonna sit on the side and extend our legs forward. Bend your knees and keep your feet hip-width apart and your knees parallel. Make sure that you're grounding through your sitting bones. You want to feel this so you're not rounding your lower back. Try to feel your sitting bones on the mat. And bring your palms under your knees. Now here first we want to find this balance on our sitting bones. So we're going to lean a little bit back. We're going to lift the chest up. Lifting the chest up is engaging the abdominal wall. It will help you maintain that posture and be stable. Roll your shoulders back down and out. And from here just lift your heels up and keep your big toes on the mat. Just for a nice couple of breaths here, maybe you will feel already some nice burn, or maybe you will feel it after 5 deep breaths. Most important in that posture is to breathe slow, to breathe out all the air. This is how you will learn this posture. And we want to engage all the muscles. So this is why we try slowly, step by step. We're gonna build our both pose. Okay, this was a gentle warm up. Waking up the pelvic floor, bring your heels on the mat. You can make a short break here. You can rest your palms for a moment. Ooh. Or if you're ready, let's do a bit more difficult. Coming on your toes. Lift your right leg up. And let's switch left leg up. Keep the knee bent, no rush to extend the legs yet. And let's do both legs. 5 nice deep breaths. You can keep your knees and legs together, or you can keep them parallel. It's a bit more difficult when the legs are not together, but sometimes the body proportions are not allowing to keep the knees together. Choose what works for you. Wherever you are, make sure that you're lifting the chest up, that you're rolling your shoulders down. Do you feel that already? Very good. Breathing in, breathing out, releasing. You can hug your knees for a moment. You can rest here. And whenever you're ready, let's do the same thing. Lifting those legs up. This time we're gonna release the arms on the side. Just 5 nice breaths here. Lifting the chest and keeping the shoulders down. Maybe you will try to extend right leg. Maybe we're gonna switch. Maybe we're gonna extend both legs. Breathing in, breathing out. 2 more left you have here. Breathing in, breathing out, releasing with control. You can make a short break and you can do altogether 5 rounds of 5 breaths of any of these options that you have chosen. So just see what works best for your body. No need to rush with the most difficult. And after that, after you're done with your both pose, you're gonna lay on your belly and keep the elbows under your shoulders to stretch the front side of the body, those muscles that we've been working on. Okay, very good. And after that, you can come into child's pose. I hope this video helped you to learn some basics in yoga, and I hope this will give you some foundations to start practicing. Try it by yourself or rewatch it one more time. If you like it, maybe you want to support me, thumb up or subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate also any feedback, so you can also drop a comment if you want to share or anything. Your feedback will be appreciated. Bye bye, see you next time.